Prime Minister Narendra Modi received a vibrant cultural welcome in The Hague, as members of the Indian diaspora and local artists greeted him with energetic traditional dance performances and patriotic chants. The atmosphere turned festive with colorful costumes, folk music, and cultural displays showcasing India's rich heritage during his visit to the Netherlands. Crowds gathered to welcome Prime Minister Modi, waving Indian flags and cheering as performers presented a mix of classical and folk dance forms. The grand reception reflected the strong people-to-people ties between India and the Netherlands and highlighted the enthusiasm of the Indian community abroad. During the visit, Prime Minister Modi is expected to participate in key diplomatic engagements and interact with global leaders, while the cultural reception added a warm and celebratory touch to his arrival in The Hague. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said that the overwhelming warmth and enthusiasm of the Indian diaspora in the Netherlands made it feel just like some festival going on somewhere in India, as he addressed a community program in The Hague as part of his five-nation tour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a five-nation tour from May 15th to 20th, during which he visited the United Arab Emirates as part of the first leg of the visit. It's always a delight to interact with the Indian diaspora. So much love and enthusiasm. To tell you the truth, for a while I even forgot that I'm in the Netherlands. It feels just like some festival is going on somewhere in India, PM Modi said. He lauded the contributions of the Indian community to Dutch society and the economy, saying every Indian takes pride in their achievements abroad. Every Indian takes pride in the contributions you are making to the society and economy of the Netherlands, he said, adding that he extended gratitude to the people and government of the Netherlands on behalf of 140 crore Indians.
प्राउडली बोलते हैं कि हम इंडिया से हैं और हम उस इंडिया से हैं जो कि एक वर्ल्ड के लैंडस्केप में एक छाप छोड़े हुए हैं।
हम गर्व फील करते हैं कि हम बनारस से हैं क्योंकि मोदी जी वहाँ से हैं। हर हर महादेव।